Rachel. For today's video, I will be doing unboxing, and I have this big and heavy box. This company contacted me if I want to collaborate with them, and so yes, they sent me 2 items. So the first item that I'm going to show you is this one. I'm gonna put this other one aside. I will do a separate video for the second item, so I will upload this for next Friday. So I'm gonna show you the first item they sent me, and this is from the brand is Chalkola, and they sent me 32 colors acrylic paint. This is different from my other videos, guys, and yeah, I'm so excited to do unboxing. I'll show you what's inside in this box, and this is a kit. I still have this plastic, so I'm gonna take that. And thank you, Chalkola. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification icon so you won't miss any of my new videos. You can get this at Amazon.com, so I'll put the link in the description box. So let's get started and see what's in this box. Different colors and so vibrant and colorful. So yeah, and on this side over here on the back, all the colors, and also, oh, it's upside down. Okay, it's 32 colors, and down here, let me see, down here it says, I didn't have my glasses, so it's hard for me to read the small letters. You know, I really need my glasses. But anyway, it says light fastness, and opacity, and the other one is pigment code. It's right here at the bottom. 22 ml per tube and 74 US fluid ounce. Let's open this one. There it is. What's inside in this box are this palette. So you just have to put all the colors in here. And then the next is this brush. All the brushes. Brush guide on the back, and it says artist brushes, so that's why it looks like. And the next is this yellow sponge. I don't know what else is in here. This one is knife. See that? Knife. And I don't know what else in here, but I think that's it for that. All the colors, you can see the tubes or the colors or the paint, and there are lots of them. There's 32 in this box. Trays. There's 1 tray, and then the next one is over here. There's more in this one. There's green, violet, blue, orange, the silver, the black, and also this one over here. There's white, yellow, and orange, and red. And over here, there's purple or red, like that. These are all the paints. If you're into painting, this one is good for you because there's a lot of paints, a lot of colors. There's 32 colors. And also, it's a pretty good size tube. So that's what it looks like. And you know, the tube, goes a long ways. For my next video, I'm gonna show you the second item that they sent me, and I'm gonna show you what the paints look like. Yeah, that will be for my separate video. I really like it. For you that really wants to do painting, this is a lot of colors in this box. There's 32. Questions, you can just leave a comment down below. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.